Pure Penkalamkari silk saree done on pure tussar by tussar silk. A very beautiful fabric, soft and lightweight acid wash boiled tussar fabric. We have an yellow base color pallu and blouse piece here, completely hand painted blouse piece with border design in blue color, a very contrast one. And we have a very beautiful saree here, painted one, split it into very beautiful work. The half, lower half is in red base, upper half in almost blackish brown color. On the top we have a beautiful ball design in blue, completely floral design given using excellent natural color dyes. Organic saree, completely vegetable dyes used here, no synthetic or harmful chemicals. And the saree takes almost 16 tedious processes, 35 days to complete under normal climatic conditions. A pure form of Penkalamkari, hand written and hand painted on pure tussar. The saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure Penkalamkari tussar silk saree, a beautiful tussar, original acid washed boiled beautiful tussar silk saree. On it the Penkalamkari painting work is done. Here we have a very beautiful pallu, long pallu. Top of the pallu we have the blue base and the fishes design, lotus and the pond concept in the pallu starting, and the as usual the zari lines as well as the painting design, that is also very different here, beautifully done. And we have the very contrast green blouse piece. Blouse piece also have the very elegant floral design, Kodi pattern, hand painted all over. And the saree here is in very different shade, two shades actually. The top portion is completely painted in pink, almost a beetroot is used for this, so beetroot pink here with the lotus design, all water plants only given in the saree. The top and the bottom we have the pond concept with the fishes and the lotuses. Really beautiful concept. The color choices are really beautiful, completely natural color dyes are used for the saree, no form of chemicals or synthetic dyes are used. And we also have the zari borders, a pure penned and painted using natural color dyes on tussar silk saree, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Penkalamkari tussar silk saree, a very beautiful boiled acid washed fine quality tussar fabric. On it the Penkalamkari painting work is done. Here we have a beautiful pallu. The pallu have two portions, zari lines portion and a blue portion in the top. That is a fish motif kind design, a very different design. You can see a big flower design surrounding it, the water lotuses as well as the fishes are done. And also we have the zari lines as usual, and we also have the Kodi pattern in that. And next to that we have the blouse piece which is in the body color itself, the natural silk color, all over Kodi design, floral pattern painted. And here we have the body is also in the sandal base color, the usual tussar color, and it is also in the water lily and lotus pattern. The complete floral pattern done here is in water lily, water flower concept. It is really beautiful colors. The colors used are natural color dyes, vegetable extracts are used for the coloring, and the synthetic dyes are completely avoided in the saree. And the saree also have a beautiful zari border, golden zari border in both sides. Beautiful Penkalamkari on tussar, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree done on tussar by tussar, a very beautiful collection with an excellent pallu. The pallu here is in half white base, the dual peacock design. The peacocks are done inside the mango shape, beautiful Buddha design, and it is having a zari lines also with Kodi pattern. And we have the same maroon color for the blouse piece with fully Kodi pattern done all over the saree. And the saree here is in painted in black, fully in black with floral design, and we have the peacocks in the inside the mango design buttas in the lower half of the saree. It's a very famous design done on black here, very elegantly with natural colors. All are vegetable extracts, no form of chemicals are used in this saree. A perfect Penkalamkari and pure tussar by tussar with zari borders, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Penkalamkari tussar silk saree, a very elegant soft acid wash tussar, and on the same fabric the completely Penkalamkari drawing design is done, penned and painted using natural colors. This is the pallu of the saree. You can see a beautiful mild tussar color like green mixed sandal color. On it the floral pattern is done. Pallu is very pretty here. Multiple colors used for the pallu. And same way, the same design, completely the floral design is given in the blouse piece with the same combination color. Contrast to the body. The body here is a beautiful yellow shade painted in yellow. You can see the floral, very different design. Pen kalamkari it is. You can see the natural hand painting, penned and painted using vegetable dyes. Completely the vegetables are converted into colors and same colors are used here. It involves 30 washes and very premium and a traditional process of South India. And the saree comes with authentic silk mark. Grab the artwork soon. Thank you. Pen kalamkari Tassa silk saree. A beautiful soft lightweight acid wash tassa. On it, beautiful hand painting work. The pure pen kalamkari work is done. Here we have a running pallu with beautiful hand paints. The circle pattern inside it, the pen kalamkari peacocks are drawn. You can see the work in the pallu, very pretty one. And we have a contrast plain blouse piece in the natural color of tassa, the half white color with just the borders in both sides. That is also hand painted. And here we have a same light orange shade saree with the lotus design here and there done along with the peacock, circles peacock done all over. Excellently it's been done. You can see the hand painting work. It's penned and painted using natural color dyes, no form of synthetic chemicals in the saree. It's a perfect organic pen kalamkari done on pure tassa by tassa and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on tassa by tassa. A very beautiful soft acid washed boiled tassa fabric. This is the pallu of the saree. Excellently hand painted design. Beautiful floral design pallu on red base. The same red is given for the blouse piece. Beautiful floral in the blouse piece. The saree have jari borders on both sides. The base color is given in green, pretty green color. And we have a border concept in the lower half in blue base. Beautiful big flowers. The top part is completely floral. We also have a red border in the top portion. Beautiful design. You can see part by part it is done. Completely natural vegetable color dyes used for painting the saree. Written and hand painted. You see the beautiful finish. 16 tedious processes and was 35 days to complete a saree. It's a pure form of pen kalamkari, a traditional painting method on pure tassa. And saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure pen kalamkari tassa silk saree. A very beautiful acid washed boiled tassa. On it the pen kalamkari hand painting work is done. Here we have a very elegant pallu with blue base for the hand painting work. Blue and yellow both are given in the mid portion, and we also have the zari lines in between. And we have the tassa color, the base silk color blouse piece with all over painting work, which is the Kodi pattern done in a floral design. And the saree here have a beautiful starting part of the pallu, which is in the peacock design, contemporary traditional peacock design that is always in pen kalamkari. And we have a black body. All over the body we have the floral design. Contrast colors are used for the black, which is very pretty, very beautiful too. And it is a completely natural color dye saree. Only the vegetable extracts are used for painting the saree with a zari border in both sides. It's a beautiful hand painting on tassa and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure pen kalamkari tassa silk saree. A very elegant tassa by tassa silk. On it the hand painting pen kalamkari work is done. It is an acid wash boiled beautiful tassa silk. And here the saree is very beautifully done. The pallu is a big pallu. We have painting design as well as the zari border design. Zari border design is simple with Kodi pattern, and we have the painting design on the base of deep pink. Beautiful peacocks. You can see a dual peacock with lot of colors and beautiful feathers. Really pretty, elegant work. And we have the same beetroot pink color blouse piece with all over hand painting work. The Kodi design hand painted in it again. And the saree here is in beautiful green shade, painted in green, and the floral work is done all over. The lower half of the saree we have big mango design. All over the saree the mango design comes. Really beautiful, different design. Completely penned and painted using the natural color dyes. Only vegetable extracts are used. No form of synthetic chemicals are used in the saree. And we also have zari borders, which is adding beauty to the saree. Really beautiful saree, pure tussar, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Penkalamkari tussar silk saree, a very beautiful hand painting work done on tussar by tussar silk, a lightweight and beautiful saree. Acid washed boiled tussar fabric, very elegant design. Here we have a saree with beautiful pallu. The pallu is in yellow base. Peacocks, the contemporary, always traditional peacock design is hand painted here using beautiful colors. The background we have the florals also. We also have a zari lines pallu. It's a big pallu. You can see hand painting pallu as well as zari lines with same yellow blouse piece. The blouse piece is also hand painted using the kodi and the floral pattern. And the saree here is in the base color of the tussar itself, the tussar color, light gold mix sandal color. Very elegantly the peacocks as well as the floral pattern is hand painted all over. Penned and painted using the natural colors. Here we have only the vegetable extracts used for the painting, no synthetic dyes are used. We also have the zari borders which is very pretty. Beautiful collection with contrast blouse and pallu, and this is pure tussar, comes with authentic silk mark as well. Thank you. Pure Penkalamkari on tussar by tussar, a very elegant hand painted work done on pure acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon base color pallu with elephants design in the pallu. Excellent pattern, both peacocks as well as elephants in the pallu, with the blouse piece that is in half white color, sandal mix half white, almost a gold finish color, with the saree having beautiful grey base color, fully Vanasingaram concept painted. The peacocks as well as the florals all over hand painted using the natural color dye. Complete saree is done penned and painted using natural color, and the saree comes with beautiful zari border. Excellent, time consuming, a very elegant and traditional process of South India hand painting work. The Penkalamkari, pure one, and it is done on pure tussar and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Penkalamkari tussar silk saree, a very elegant soft acid wash tussar, on it pure Penkalamkari natural color dye sarees are done. Complete hand painting, tedious process. It involves around 30 days to be completed, 16 processes. And here we have a beautiful pallu with zari lines as usual, and we also have a peacock in the backdrop of a green floral design, and also it is given an extra outline which is done by maroon color. And here the pallu is also having the zari lines with kodi pattern, and we have the same maroon given for the blouse piece also. Blouse piece also have all over floral design painted. The complete saree as well as the blouse piece, everything is hand painted here. The body of the saree is in base tussar color itself with all over a very elegant floral design given, and it is very beautiful, different design. The flowers, the colors used are really pretty, all multiple colors used. Fully natural color dye saree, vegetable extracts are only used here, no form of synthetic chemicals are used. Pure natural color, organic Penkalamkari on pure tussar with very elegant zari borders, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Penkalamkari tussar by tussar saree done using natural vegetable color dyes. Excellent artwork sarees here, done on pure acid washed boiled tussar fabric, a hand woven silk, and on it the hand painting work is done. It's a maroon pallu here with beautiful two peacocks, a contemporary Penkalamkari design, and we have the blouse piece that is in very beautiful green shade, green with very elegant floral design. The saree here is in beautiful maroon and blue mixed color shades. Base is completely blue with maroon used as a middle portion, vertical design painting. Very beautiful design with multiple colors used for it, and the natural colors is vegetable extracts only is used on the sarees. Excellent concept sarees, beautifully hand painted, penned and painted using natural colors. No printing or any screen printing things done. It's purely hand painted work done using a tedious process. It involves almost 30 to 35 days to complete a saree. The saree comes with beautiful zari borders and with the certificate of authorized Central Silk Board's authority. Thank you. Pure Penkalamkari tussar silk saree, a very elegant and beautiful saree, completely done in a hand painting, and it's a Penkalamkari pure work. The pallu of the saree here is in half white base color itself. We have beautiful peacock design, traditional pen kalamkari design it is, with colorful Vriksha and beautiful pattern. The green is also given in the pallu, and we also have the same green, light green and blue mixed shade color for the blouse piece as well, with lotus design hand painted. The complete saree is in same color, almost like a turquoise green and blue mixed shade. And we have the pen kalamkari painting work done in a square shape in here and there design, and you can see it's very different. Pen kalamkari in a very beautiful and different work. Completely the natural colors are used, penned and painted using natural colors only, with a zari border in the saree. Very elegant hand painting work done very beautifully, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure pen kalamkari Tassa silk saree, a very elegant, beautiful and traditional pen kalamkari hand painting and drawing design on pure and soft, very elegant Tassa fabric. The pallu here is in Tassa color itself, with beautiful floral design hand painted using the natural color dyes, and same color blouse piece with single flowers painted here and there. The saree is very elegantly done in the same color. Here no contrast concept, just the Tassa color with mild green tinge is used here. All over the saree with a very big and beautiful flower design, as well as a leaf and floral design painted all over. And we also have a kind of brick red color borders, which is also hand painted. It is a Kodi design. Excellent and beautiful design with zari borders, a completely hand painted design. It involves almost 30 washes for the saree, and it is very, very traditional and time consuming, tedious process. It is still the very special design of South India, done on the Tassa, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure pen kalamkari Tassa silk saree, very elegant hand painted work on pure acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very elegant saree. The saree's pallu is with beautiful zari lines, and we have Kodi pattern, and the pallu is also having a beautiful elephant's design with deer's pattern. Beautiful design with Vriksha, elephants, peacocks, and the traditional design of pen kalamkari given in the blouse piece, the pallu. And we have a half white color blouse piece, which is having Kodi and the floral pattern all over. Very elegant blouse piece with the body having fully black, very elegant black body. It is painted in black. Actually the color of the saree is in sandal, the Tassa color. On it the black color is used all over painting, and on it the very elegant floral work is done. All the colors used here are natural color dyes, and the saree comes with very elegant zari border also. Vegetable dyes, vegetable extracts are only used in the saree. No form of synthetic chemicals are used. Pure hand painting on pure Tassa, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure pen kalamkari and Tassa by Tassa silk, a very fine and artistic work, hand painting work done on beautiful Tassa, acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a big peacock design in the pallu on the base maroon, very beautiful multicolored big feathered peacock, and we have zari lines also in the pallu with the body color blouse piece with fully floral design done, and it's a contrast different colors used for the painting work. And here the saree is also in the base of Tassa color itself, a sandal mixed Tassa base color, raw Tassa color, with very elegant floral design work. It's simple and beautiful hand painting work all over, penned and painted using natural color dyes with the golden zari border in both sides. The saree itself looks really a goldish color, elegant one. Pure pen kalamkari and pure Tassa, and it comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Thank you. Pure pen kalamkari Tassa silk saree, a very beautiful traditional form of pen kalamkari done on Tassa by Tassa, acid washed premium quality Tassa fabric, soft and lightweight, beautiful artwork. And you can see a light sandal color, mild green and mixed sandal it is. And we have the pallu having beautiful two peacocks. You can see the colors, very elegant peacock colors are used here. Mild and beautiful saree with excellent pallu, and we have a floral pattern in the same base color, pallu color. Beautiful floral design painted in the blouse piece. The complete saree is having zari border as well, and the saree here is done in a mild peach and orange mixed shade. A very different design, the floral, but it's a very different flower done using mild colors. A beautiful form, a very different and rich pen kalamkari done using natural vegetable dyes, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Penkalamkari Tassa silk saree, premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. On it the Penkalamkari work is done. Original, natural, traditional Penkalamkari. The Vriksha background, we have a beautiful peacock design, a very traditional, beautiful design of the Penkalamkari fabric, and we have same color. The saree is in base Tassa color itself, the natural color of Tassa, with hand painting work in the blouse, small flowers all over the saree. It's a floral pattern. Very beautifully it's been done using multiple different colors. The base of the saree is the natural color itself, and the colors used here are also vegetable natural colors. It is no form of synthetic chemicals are used, penned and painted originally by the natural colors here, and it is a pure Penkalamkari traditional tedious process, and the saree comes with authentic silk mark.